Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 12. This is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my multiply activity. This is my divide activity. And this is some additional file. This is my main layout. This is my multiply layout. And this is my divide layout. Now we'll demonstrate the program. So I'll enter in an invalid input. I will enter nothing. And then I'll try to put in a number and a letter. That doesn't work. And now we'll enter in a valid input. But I'm not gonna hit the multiply button. I'm just gonna go back and say invalid data return. Right. Now I'll go try it again. I'll do 5 times 5 multiply, and I'll hit multiply this time, and the result is 25. If I go back and I see 25, and then if I try to divide, so I'll do 55 divided by 5, do divide, and then I'll divide. The result is 11. So I go back, the result is 11. So that's it for my project 12. In this project, the additional feature that I added is that whenever the result is returned to the main activity, the data will be stored in the Firebase database. So here I'm gonna clear this out, and I'll do 8 times 4. I'll multiply. The result is 32. If I go back, it will send that result to the database. If I scroll down, the result is 32. And if I do divide, I'll hit divide. The result is 2. And if I go back, I'll check my database, and the result is 2. And that's it for my project 12. Thank you for listening.